Today, I'm going to Fox Sports Radio for an interview on my upcoming fight. I'm also going to watch the inauguration today. Not that I'm a big Donald Trump fan, but I do want to be an informed citizen of the United States, you feel me? Also, I need to clean out my closet. This thing has been giving me anxiety for a good couple months, and I've been putting it off. It's organized to me, but it's time for something new in there, okay? I'm gonna finish getting ready for my interview, then we gonna go. Last night, I couldn't really sleep too well. I was watching videos about vlogging. I normally don't even ask. If you watch this vlog all the way through, actually tell me what you think. If it's like getting better, if there's somewhere where I can improve, because I'm actually trying to get better at it so I can make better content. Keep that in mind while you're watching. Please actually leave a comment. Just let me know how I'm doing. If you got my number, just text me. You don't have to comment, but I actually want some real feedback. Please and thank you. Appreciate it. Interview fit, you feel me? Can you say what's up to the people?
What's up, man?
Live media training, you feel me?
Yeah, that's all we do. You can put this on.
Or yeah, that's fine. Good.
On and off at first, but now we train every day consistently together. Well, I think I told you, Rio's last opponent is who I'm fighting.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. We've got two fighters, Henry Montgomery, who's been on the show a handful of times now, and his good friend Akeem McAfee, who he trains with over at Witness Martial Arts. Akeem, Henry, how are you guys doing this morning?
We're doing good.
So far, so good.
Absolutely.
Thanks for having us, Zach.
Of course. Well, thank you all for coming in. You stay ready.
Stay ready so you don't have to get ready.
Yeah, for sure. So he told me something that you might be fighting his last opponent.
Yeah,
So
I realized that the MMA community is really small. I'm sure that guy wants revenge on our whole gym, and I'm not going to let that happen, you know?
dang straight.
Found Odie, talked to him. He said, hey, man, come to Crestview in his own gym at Witness. And he's like, hey, man, come on over. And that's where I'm at right now.
Awesome. What's your record, by the way?
10-5. I got, I think 4 belts. I got 2 in welter, 2 in middle. I'm trying to go for the light heavyweight right now.
Okay.
On the 8th.
You guys ever spar each other?
All the time.
All the time.
All the time.
To get better.
Yeah.
He usually hit me with something like crazy kick that I don't see coming. It hurts a little bit, you know what I'm saying? I brush it off.
He's like a machine over there. Don't let him downplay himself. He's literally like a cyborg. So I'm like fighting somebody out of a movie every time I fight him.
Sounds like good practice, though.
Yeah, it is, definitely. A lot of sparring. We've had a lot of high-level people in the gym. I feel like he's going to burn his energy in the first 30 seconds. First round, I'm going to set him up. Second round, I'm going to wear him down. Third round, I'm going to drop him. I would call that a success. Appreciate it. What is this, Athlete's Water? Yeah. Dude, I've been trying to find, you own Athlete's Water? I've been trying to find y'all because y'all work with Pensacola Panthers.
Yeah.
Are you sponsoring athletes or what?
Yeah,
You need
I
to-
sure
you
do.
You need to come find us.
Sure do.
Bro, there's a lot of us over at Witness Martial Arts. You might could just hit up the whole gym. Listen, I've been needing some water.
Yeah, hit me
You
up.
feel me? I've been needing some water.
Yeah, definitely. Here, matter of fact, here, I'll give you 2 more. And I'll come out to the gym where y'all at, where y'all training at. So,
Nice,
okay.
nice. Yeah, we got a fight coming up, so that could be good.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, my hands are freaking
I
cold
felt
though,
that.
bro.
I felt it.
Like, golly.
I was like, telling this man, but I don't know how much I can
I know, bro. Then I'm trying to hold my phone too, so I only got it in one hand, bro. My hand was about to freeze the
Yo.
off. But I met this guy I've been trying to connect with, and he owns this brand called Athlete's Water. I did my live review, but I accidentally clicked the thing, so it wasn't recorded. I reviewed part 2. That's some good water. That is. That's deodorant. Because I put deodorant on and I had to tie my shoe. Had a tank top on. Benefits of 9+ pH. Healthier water, increases energy, reduces acidity level, ultimate hydration, maximizes performance, electrolytes for taste. Man, look at Kamala Harris having to be there. That's messed up. He doesn't even look like a real human. Look how many bald spots there are. Donald Trump and Joe Biden. Donald Trump will whoop Joe Biden though, because Joe Biden too old. Yeah. I don't think there's ever any real beef though. I mean, there probably is, but not like real beef to where they about to fight.
They probably want to fight, but then they're incapable of fighting.
Donald Trump probably think he can whoop Joe Biden. Astro, cheer up. They're not really eating cats and dogs. This looks like some type of cult.
Senate Democratic leader, the Honorable
I thought that man got his ear shot off. There's not even anything wrong with his ear. He didn't even kiss his wife on the cheek for real.
You can't get under that hat.
He just went like this. Man, he looks real orange. You saw that? He has a whole line on his head. What if he like isn't even human? Like what if his face like comes off like and it's like an AI? No, not like a Scooby-Doo character. Like an AI person. Biden pardons family members moments before Trump swore in. That is like no details. Look what it says, Justin. Look how Trump and Vance are sitting the same. And then Biden and Kamala are sitting the same. And Biden is asleep. Go get dressed some more.
Franklin Graham, who will deliver our invitation. Please rise.
Says that.
Cause he need more clothes on.
He's dressed a little more.
Look like he said all that with his fingers crossed. This is weird. They just prayed twice to God, but they're singing all this glory, glory, hallelujah while inaugurating a new person into office. Like, it looks like they're worshiping this man. This looks crazy.
Just a few months ago in a beautiful Pennsylvania field, an assassin's bullet ripped through my ear.
No, it did not.
But I felt then and believed.
You did not get shot in the air, bro. His ear is literally fine. If you got shot in the ear, you would be able to see it. He better get right, because I'm tired of spending $50 every time I go to the store.
Massive overspending and urgency. We will drill, baby, drill.
We will drill, baby, drill. Because, like, if that's true, that'd be a good thing.
We will be a rich nation again.
You have to go, man.
Yeah,
Like, you
you're
can't.
making empty promises.
But you can't be a politician and be like, we're going to try. You know what I mean? Like, he has to say it like that.
After ye enemies.
Defeating America's enemies. You know, kiss me, you're going to put your lips on me. What?
Like in 2017, we will again build.
So who's the president?
Into a mighty republic.
How long have you been
Americans pushed
president
thousands
for?
of miles through a rugged land of untamed wilderness. They crossed deserts, scaled mountains.
hour.
braved
Yeah.
Untold
30.
dangers.
Yeah.
He
30
just got
minutes.
inaugurated.
West and
Like I've been saying, though.
Nobody wants controversial footage.
They have, what's it called? Majority Republican. I don't care if it's Republican, Democrat, cat, dog, black and yellow. Since they all together, hopefully they work together to make stuff better. You feel me? And the god mama, you the dog mama. You ever seen a flying dog?
No, because he's not flying.
You're struggling, boy.
Booty first.
You better not hurt my dog.
Oh.
Damn, boy. The inauguration was so, wasn't it? Woo. Hey, the only thing we can hope for is the best. We're not going to hope that everything goes wrong. We're going to hope that everything goes right. And everything is for the benefit of the American people. You can't go into it and be like, oh my God, everything's going to be terrible. Because then everything's going to be terrible. And you know what I need to do?
What?
I need to clean my closet.
In the front room.
And the front room.
And eventually take him to Goodwill.
Yeah, but that wasn't on the vlog to-do list. You see how things just get added to my to-do list?
Oh, hush. I gotta go to the grocery store, too.
I have no clue where to start. I got clothes everywhere. Here's my attempt at making some B-roll. Astro B-roll. Trying to make some B-roll. This how you do it, babe? get that booty roll one more time. I can finally see my closet again. I can't see my side of the room anymore. We'll get it right, Astro? Yeah. About done. I need to move this dresser and that dresser back into my closet. Some more B-roll. Officially done. Cleaned up a lot. Much needed. Got everything all organized. It might not look like it, but it is. All my coats over there. Comes into my pants, sweats. I hung up a lot of stuff. I hung up almost all my nice shirts, all of my pants. And then over there is all my semi-nice clothes. The clothes that I wear when I'm teaching. Reorganize that. As you can see, the floor is clear. I'm getting rid of all that, so I'm gonna put all that stuff in there. Some Christmas stuff. Stuff that needs to go in the garage. Yep, we just about done. Again, if you actually watched my vlog, please let me know if this one was better or worse than the one before. Please let me know. If you got my number, just hit me up. You don't have to comment. I would like if you comment, obviously, for the algorithm, but I'm brand new, and I know it's going to come with time. So please, just let me know how I'm doing, because I'm trying to get better at it and give you guys better content. I'm signing out for now, and I'm going to mess with y'all later.